Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial, we will be going over creating the survey and uploading your image, triggering the process. So let's get started. In the last lecture, we created a site called Bridge Site. So we will be using that site only. In that site, go for, uh, let me zoom it a little bit. Yeah. So here, just click on this and go for create survey. Okay, here you can just put the survey name you want. Let's say the survey is survey one, and here put the time and date of the survey. And here there is option to toggle on and off the GCP. So if in your survey you have GCP, then you can just switch it on. If you don't have the GCP, you can just turn it off. So in this lecture, we'll be going over the survey in which we don't have GCP. In the next lecture, I will be talking about how to create a survey with GCP. So let's go ahead. Click on the next. Here you have to select or drag and drop all the images. So let me just do that. Let me select a few. Okay. So I have selected on around 291 images. It's on Geotag. Here you can see all your geotagged images there. And here you can see the sites. You can adjust your boundary according to it. And next section also you can adjust your boundary. So here, and if you want to select additional images, you can just click here, click on the select and select your additional images. And just here, click on the next. After you click on the next, your images start getting uploaded. So it will take some time. We will pause it. We will resume when this get uploaded. So okay, as you can see, this is uploaded. So it took around 3 minutes for me. So I had it was around 300 images, and all images was in between 10 to 15 MB. So if you have good speed strength, it will take you around 3 to 4 minutes for 150 images. Depends on the imaging size. Okay, so here as you can see, there is all the image that I just uploaded. So you just adjust your boundary according to it, or you can import the boundary or KML file if you have it. If you want to upload more images, you can just click here and upload more images. You can manage all the images. So you can see here your images, your latitude, longitude. According to that, you can select or delete few images. Okay? And as it is without GCP, you can just here click trigger processing. Yeah. So as you can see, it was around 10 hectare. So it just took it took off the 10 hectare of my credit, and it got triggered. As soon as your processing gets completed, you will receive another email notifying you your processing got completed. So that's it. This is the simple process to upload your image and start your survey. This is the end of this lecture. Thank you. If you've not subscribed to our social medias and all, you can just do it. I will put the link in the description. If you have any query regarding this, you can contact us on our website. I will put the contact in the description also. Thank you. In the next lecture, I will just discuss about GCP marking. See you in the next lecture.